Yeah. So, so poetic, babe. Man, I'm just keeping the camera by me while this beat on. I'm just saying. It's so poetic. It's like it's like that end of the movie where it really starts off with the beginning of how it ended, and you already know that when it's in the middle that they pretending to be something that they really not. But then you get into the thicker plot, I dig up in it, then I write a different story given that choice that I have. It's like the butterfly effect. I don't try to go back to shit and then try make a grab at something that is really lost. I just let it go and floss up in my now moment, but not in the sense of trying to do it in the ego state. When I say the word floss, we have to be aware of these spell words that we've been using in English language, but you get the picture. I know I deliver it clearer every time I do it. And I know I could switch my voice up and they be like, oh shit, what you really doing with it? But I got the cadence that still spit like it's like da. And when you hear it, it could drum up. But really, I like to move slower when I do my thing because it's like a turtle. Get to see how things move, and then you get to really jump over all of the hurdles, and you really see the perception of how it be to move like a tortoise. I do my thing the smartest, but not comparing myself. So I take the EST off it and I just say smarter than I was the yesterday. And did I say that I just want to sing like Jodeci in her face? Oh yeah, I love her and I love her so real. But you know you got to discover yourself first, and then it's the real. It's a relationship that you could relate. The sun is ship and everything could dip and everything's a chip, just like a champion, and that's the one you want. But you already know that you don't have to want, cause it could come to you, but you just got the desire, and that's what is a part of this. But you got to understand the balance, just like it's like if Obi-Wan Kenobi shook hands with Darth Vader and they understood the balance, and then everything would be in balance. Or like the movie Dark Crystal, and then you see the balance, and then you understand what's going on inside yourself. Cause if you understand the law of correspondence, then you see how it's corresponding to everything inside you and around you and under your feet and above you and in the sea and everything that's really in water. And that's how it be with the memory and the word mem that stands for water in the Hebrew language, but it also stands for other things too. And it always has to deal with the mu prefix like Lamu, Lemuria, and all the mamas and moon moms and mama. Do you understand? Yeah.
When single shines the triple sun, what was sundered and undone shall be whole, the two make one, by Gelfling hand or else by none. By Gelfling hand? Do you know what that means, Kira?
Wait! This is a piece of the dark crystal.
Then that's what my master meant.